Installation of a solar 3-beam with siren strobe. In advance, we have enrolled the beam to the siren strobe. Turn the beams on. Press the white switch button on the back of the beam sometimes. The indicator light is on after turning it on, accompanied by a low tone sound 5 times. It means that the beam is turned on normally. We can also press the button to check whether the beam is turned on. If there is a beep, it means the beam is already turned on. If there is 2 beeps, it means the beam is turned off. Turn on the other beam at the same way. If there is 2 beeps, it means the beam is turned off. After the pair of beam is turned on, align the beams. After about 2 seconds, the indicator light on the receiving beam starts to flash, and accompanied by low beeps. Then, use the zinc object to block the sunbeam light holes. The siren strobe issues alarm. It indicates that the beam works well with siren strobe. Next step, fix the iron accessories and mounting brackets. There are right-angle iron accessories, cross accessories, burst buckle, and 3 different specifications of fixing screws. Fix the cross and right-angle fittings with small screws. Be sure to tighten the 2 fixing screws. Please pay attention to the installation direction of the screws. If installed in the opposite direction, it will affect the fixing of the cross accessories and iron brackets. Fix the buckle and cross fitting to the iron bracket with large screws. Be sure to tighten the 2 fixing screws. In the same way, fix another set of iron accessories. There are 2 different direct fittings for the fairing configuration. This is used to adjust the left and right direction of the injection. This is used to adjust the front-rear direction of the shot. The protrusions of the right-angle fittings should be in the same orientation. Fix the iron accessories and mounting bracket at the other beam in the same way. Then fix the beam to the mounting bracket with medium screws. Make sure the horizontal tube of the shot is located at the top. At the same time, try to fix the beam on the upper end of the iron bracket to avoid the transmitting ability affected by iron stands. By observing whether the water bubble on the horizontal tube is located in the middle position, to make sure the installation of the beam is horizontal, mark the punching position with a marker and punch the hole. Fix the iron brackets with screws. By fine-tuning the front and rear directions, screw fixing position for right-angle fittings. Be sure to adjust the blisters of the horizontal tube to the middle position. The 4th step is to calibrate the beam. First, calibrate the transmitter. After the alignment, there will be no beeps at the receiving end. Through the calibration hole at the transmitter, fine-tune the front, rear, left and right positions of the beam as a whole. Make sure the receiving end of the other end shoots in the middle of the line of sight of the calibration hole. Tighten the left and right directions of the shot. Make sure that the target position is no longer shifted. Then check through the calibration hole. Make sure the other end is on the transmitter. Install the receiving beam in the same way, and observe the numerical changes of the digital display. Make sure the value of the digital display is above 100, and the jump range of the value is within 30. And we check it through the calibration holes. Please pay attention to the digital display screen involving the receiver. It will automatically shut down after 1 hour of power on. To restart the digital display, you need to restart the beam. In addition, customers can also buy the laser calibrator for assistance. 5-step, test it by blocking the 2 light holes above on the beam with zinc object, not with hands or light transmitting objects. No alarm. Block the following 2 light holes. No alarm. Simultaneously block sunlight holes. Siren strobe issues alarm.